Now we will do problem 15. Viswam walks half a mile to get to school each day. So this is Viswam walks half a mile to get to school each day. His route consists of 10 city blocks of equal length and he takes 1 minute to walk each block. So he walks these 10 blocks to his school every day and takes 1 minute per block. Today, after walking 5 blocks, Viswam discovers he has to make a detour, walking 3 blocks of equal length instead of 1 block to reach the next corner. So after walking 5 blocks, he has to make a detour from this point, walk 3 blocks and then get to school like this. From the time he starts his detour, at what speed in miles per hour must he walk in order to get to school at his usual time? So usually he takes 1 minute to walk each block. So his speed is, let's call it 1 block per minute. Now this day, after 5 minutes, he has to make this detour, but still get to the school at his usual time. So from this point, normally he would have taken 5 minutes to get to the school because 5 blocks were left. But even this day, he should take 5 minutes to get to the school even after having made this detour. So on this day, he will have to obviously walk faster, but how much faster? That's the question. So from this point, how many blocks does Viswam have to walk now? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now this day, he has to walk 7 blocks in 5 minutes. So he has to walk 7 over 5. So this day, he has to walk 1.4 blocks per minute to get to school on time. And normally he walks 1 block per minute. So this day he has to walk 1.4 times faster. But the problem is we need to convert this into miles per hour. So let's do that. So what we know is that 10 blocks is half a mile. So 10 blocks is half a mile, which means that 20 blocks is 1 mile. All right. Now he needs to walk 1.4 blocks per minute. So let's convert this into miles per hour now. So 1.4 blocks, I'll use B for blocks. So 1.4 blocks per minute would mean 1.4 times 60 blocks per hour. Okay, but we also know that 20 blocks is 1 mile. So 60 blocks is 3 miles. All right, so now I can convert this to miles per hour. So I'll just say this 60 blocks is 3 miles. So 1.4 into 3 miles per hour. And that's 1.4 times 3 is 4.2. So 4.2 miles per hour. This is what Viswam's speed needs to be that day to get to school on time. So B 4.2 is our answer.